Hey guys, I will show you how to install APK files on iOS. This is a special application that allows us to install APK files on our phone. The operation is simple, and we have everything described exactly what it is used for. The most important function is search.apk files, where we search exactly what APK file we want to download. So if you want to see how to install APK files on your iOS, watch this video until the end, and step by step, I'll show you how to do it. Let's begin by checking the settings. Go to Settings, then General, and click on Background App Refresh, making sure that either Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi mobile data is selected, one of these two options. Next, we enter the Software Update section and ensure that we have the latest version of our phone's software. The last thing we need to do is go back, click on Battery, and check if the Low Power Mode option is unchecked, just like mine, as it could negatively impact the app, so we need to have it turned off. Now we can start the final step. Click on your browser and go to the tweakoapp.com website. It's a verified site with various modded applications. Enter APK installer, click on it, and a window will pop up with various information, such as the number of downloads or community ratings. Click the Download Now button, and the system will start downloading and installing. It won't take long, and in a moment, everything will be ready, and you should see a message confirming that everything has been successfully installed. If you do not see this message, it means that the server needs updating and will have to download additional files. This is a very simple and quick step to do, and everything will be shown exactly how to do it. Once you have completed this step, the system will immediately download the files, and the installation will be successful. I have already installed it, and as you may have noticed, everything works perfectly. And that's it. This is all the process we need to install APK files on iOS. Thanks for watching this video to the end. If you liked the video and everything is working for you, leave a like and subscribe to my channel to follow more content like this. If you have any problems or questions, feel free to write in the comments, and I'll be happy to help you. Thanks you, and see you soon.